Okay, we have this other equation, 2 to the power root x is equals to 8 to the power x. Okay, looking at this equation, what is the easiest method to solve it? You have 3 seconds to do that. Okay, you have what? 2 to the power root x is equals to what? You know that 8 is equals to what? 2 cubed. That will be 2 to the power 3x. Okay, since they have the same base, okay, they have the same base, we can say root x is equals to what? 3x. Root x is equals to 3x. Hence, to remove this square root here, we can square both sides. Squaring both sides. Anything we do on one side, we must do on the left hand side, so they should be balanced. Hence, you have x is equals to 9x squared. We can then bring this x on this side to have what? 9x squared minus x is equals to 0. We brought this man on this side. We have this at this point, therefore we can bring out the x. And we can bring out the x into what? 9x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore our x is equals to 0, or 9x is equals to 1. It's 9x minus 1. 9x minus 1 is equals to 0, which implies this. 9x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 all over 9, or x is equals to 0. And now the two different answers to this equation. Hope you enjoyed the video.